Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly find the current Shopify plan and also to compare the features of other Shopify plans just in case you want to upgrade or even to downgrade your plan. So all you have to do once you're inside the dashboard and you want to, let's say, check on other plans, compare those plans to see what's there and if it makes sense for you, is to simply click on settings on the lower left hand side. Now, once you're here, click on plans and you will be able to find plan and you'll be taken over to where you have your current plan and you will see this little option here that says view all features. Now this view all features is going to take you to over to the section where you can change your plan and also to compare all the different plans and to see what is inside for them. And here you can see right here what is inside. You also have different plans showing you what it is, so I recommend that you check them. Now, to see more details, you want to scroll down and you can see other things. So here you have the section where it says see all features. You click on that, it's going to show you all the features that each plan has, and you can compare step by step what they all entail, and then you will see if it makes sense for you to upgrade to one or the next, or which one that really fits your requirements the best, right? So you can go ahead and you can check on them, and on top of that you can also expand it more to see in details what is there. So you can click on each section to really expand it to see what is there. So this one, for example, templates and themes, you can see what you can actually do with that just to get more information on what it is. So you scroll down until you go through everything. You can compare every single thing to know exactly what it entails, right? And that's how you easily go ahead and find all Shopify plans and to compare those plans as well, guys. Really hope you found this useful, and if you do, appreciate if you give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. I'll be more than happy to help to answer them, and thank you guys for watching.